welcome back to my channel. This is Stephsgotit, and today we've got an unboxing. I have two packages. I've had this package since, I believe, last year, November 12, 2019. I haven't unboxed it yet. And then I have this Groupon package from, not sure. I don't even remember what this is. I remember what this is, I think. I don't remember what this is. So now you know, not only do I have diamond paintings stashed in several stashes, I also have all kind of mail stashed. So let's unbox it together and see what we got. Hold that thought, let me get you set down up on the project. Alright, so here we go. We're going to open let's open up the Groupon first because I have absolutely no idea what this is. I don't remember. And this was back before I was keeping a logbook of everything that I was ordering. And lately I haven't even been keeping up with the logbook. So what do we have here? Oh, it's a charger. The wrong kind of charger to boot. Oh, bummer. No, it's not the wrong kind. It's the right kind. Yay. Cool. I needed another charger. Where did I want to put it? Oh, in the kitchen. That's where I try to leave a charger in every room. So this will be cool. My honey already brought me one for my bedroom. So, oh, and it's a 10-footer compatible with Android devices. That would be why I bought it. All right. So all this time I just went out and bought two chargers, and I had one already sitting in the stash. It says that it will sync and charge. It's by Rhino. It's by Rhino. It's 3 meters, which is 10 feet, I assume, and it says that it syncs and charges, like I just said. It's made in China. So, and this is what it looks like. It's braided, so hopefully it won't shred as easily from all the bending. So there you go. That's so funny, all this time, and I've had one sitting right in there. And as far as price, this was from Groupon, and it cost me $5.99. Now let's get to the meat of this unboxing. I've got to find my paper cutter. Not paper cutter, box cutter for these unboxings. Okay, here we go. Anything else? It's empty. Oh, I had her address showing. I have to cover that. Alright. Oh, what a cute little bag. Oh, that's cute. African little bag. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. Drawstring. Alright, what's in it? What you really want to know. Oh, and it's handmade. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I love that. Alright. This is what I thought it was. It is rather, a necklace, a paper bead necklace that I ordered on Etsy, and I will put all of the links down below to the Etsy shop where you can find these beautiful necklaces. I don't know why I ordered orange. I don't know. The picture grabbed me. Isn't that beautiful? It's very pretty. And I'll tell you, it is handmade. It's beautiful. Okay. Handmade. It's beautiful. There's the clip. So we twist and twist that close. Okay, so now why it was important for me to unbox this, I feel. Not one, because it's a well-made product. It's beautiful. Doesn't bounce off of that orange very well. Let's put it back onto the black. Well, let me tell you about this necklace. This necklace is special. It's made by my friend Christine, and well, it's not made by her, but my friend has a shop on Etsy, and it's called, I'm going to mispronounce this, but it's Anyira shop. Anyira, Anyira shop. And you can get this in multiple colors. I just, for some odd reason, I don't know why, I chose orange, but you can get it in green, white, black, brown, dark blue, I think, or darker green. It's just many colors. You have your choices of colors. It is handmade. The beads are paper, 3 strands on the bead. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, and that's a statement by Nelson Mandela. The necklaces are a staple fashion statement for women and girls, and what you wear says something about you. Each one of these 3-strand paper beaded necklaces are unique in style and empowering in purpose, sure to be a showstopper at your next event or get together. This necklace is sure to become a fast favorite and go-to accessory. And then she goes on to tell you about the bead design and that they were handmade from women entrepreneurs in Uganda. Handmade by women in Uganda, women businesses in Uganda, okay? They're rolled from thin strips of paper, and then they're rolled together and glued to form the beads, and then the beads are painted. Every bead on each necklace is masterfully handcrafted and different from every other, okay? Making yours a one-of-a-kind necklace. This is a one-of-a-kind. You order yours, it will be one-of-a-kind by women businesses in Uganda, okay? Women helping women. The cool thing is, Anyira is going beyond that. They're taking all the profits from this and they go directly back to helping the less fortunate in Uganda. Hello, service. So they've partnered with Schools for Girls to fund education for girls who cannot afford it for themselves. And this way we create a virtuous cycle of empowering women to empower women. Did you hear what I just said? My friend is helping women to empower women. Did that sink in? Okay. Women lifting other women, as we should be doing. Now, each piece comes with a story of a woman who made it, of a girl who went to school because you bought it. So this is something that you can only not wear to be stylish, but you can wear to proudly represent that you are a woman helping to empower and lift another woman, because that's what sisters do for each other. They empower and they uplift each other and they support each other. Not only that, you're sending some young girl in Uganda to school because she doesn't get the opportunities that maybe you had in this country. How cool is that? I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud of this group. I'm so proud to own a piece that was created and that helped with that. And I've been saving for a special moment to wear it. That's kind of why I haven't opened it yet. But I like doing unboxings and I like sharing with you, so I'm unboxing it. And I figured I'd tell you the story because, you know, maybe you want to help and uplift and empower women as well. So there you have it, hun. Her site on Etsy is ANYIRA shop. And this necklace cost me $20. For a handmade piece. Not only am I getting a handmade piece and a handmade bag to carry it in, to keep it in, drawstring bag. I'm also empowering my fellow sisters, women of Uganda. All sisters are my sisters, but we're helping to empower them and helping their young girls to go to school. I'm going to do my nails, I'm sorry, but I'm going to do them in a day or so. But isn't that beautiful? Just, I'm so proud of her. Christine, I'm just so proud of you. I'm proud of your organization, and I'm proud of your ability to is it Christine? Sure. Yes. Christine, I'm so proud of you. I don't know that she'll even ever see this video, but if she does, Christine, I'm so proud of you, and I'm so proud of your organization, and I'm so happy to own a piece that was created by one of these girls, and I'm so happy to know that not only did I buy a beautiful piece of artwork that no one else has exactly like this, but that some young girl got an opportunity to go to school because money from this was used to help her, along with funds from other people to do that. So good job, Christine. Good job to your organization, and I wish you much success, and I wish each of those girls much success and many opportunities for themselves to also grow up to learn to empower and uplift other women while also empowering them themselves. Awesome job. Thank you. Thank you for your service and kindness and thinking about others. All right, guys, there you have it. If you would like to purchase one, I gave you the address. I'll also link it in the description box below. With that being said, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, may I encourage you to click the subscription box below, and while you're at it, click that little notification bell so that you can be notified anytime that I upload a video to this channel. Remember, hun, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's the small and simple things in life that makes life worth living. Empower someone, lift someone, support another sister. Love and shimmies, babe.